Shri Gurupyo Namaha children. We welcome you to our online learning initiative Ekalaiva. In this class, we are going to learn Class 2, Chapter 1, Matriculation Mathematics, numbers up to 1000. In this chapter, we are going to learn the topic odd and even numbers. Any number which cannot be divided by exactly 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And any number that can be exactly divided by 2 are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Odd numbers always ends up with the last digit as 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And even numbers always end up with the last digit as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Shall we move on to the sum, children? Yes. In exercise 1.2, the first subdivision is circle the odd numbers and cross out the even numbers. The first number is 37. Number 37 ends with the odd number. So we have to circle the number. Next, 88 is there. Number 88. Number 8 ends with the even number. So we have to cross it. Third number 43 ends with odd number. So we have to circle. And next number 17 is there. Number 17 ends with the odd number. So we have to circle. Next number 94. This number ends with the even number. So we have to cross it. Next number 77 is there. This number also ends with the odd number. So we have to circle it. Next 64 is there. 64 ends with the even number. So we have to cross it. Next 45 is there. Number 45 ends with the odd number. So we have to circle. Number 23 ends with the odd number. So we have to circle it. And number 71 ends with the odd number. Again we have to circle it. Number 89 ends with the odd number. So we have to circle again. And at last 22 is there. 22 ends with the even number. So we have to cross it. Next, write the odd numbers that comes between. In this first sum, 21 is there. After 21, what is the odd number? 22? No, 22 is the even number. So we have to write 23. Again 24 is the even number. So we want to write 25. 26 is the even number. So we want to write 27. Again 28 is the even number. So we should not write 28. Already 29 is there. Next sum 47. After 47, what will be the odd number? 49. After 49, 51. After 51, 53. In third sum, 52 is there. After 52, what is the odd number? 53. After 53, 55. After 55, what will be the odd number? 57. Fourth sum, 82 is there. After 82, which number will be the odd number? 83. After 83, 85. After 85, 87 is the odd number. In this page, we want to write the even numbers that comes between. In this first sum, 46 is there. After 46, what number will be the even number? 48. After 48, 50. After 50, 52. After 52, 54. 54 is already there in that question itself. Then move on to second question. 30 is the even number. After 30, what will be the even number? 32. After 32, 34. After 34, 36. In this third sum, number 5 is there. After 5, which will be the even number? 6. After 6, 8 is the even number. After 8, 10 will be the even number. And in fourth sum, 23 is there. After 23, what number will be the even number? 24. After 24, 26. After 26, 28. 28 is the even number. Thank you, children.